Death Street. This way Benidorm's going. It's not too bad up this end. They've got the Rio Park there. Still going strong. Look at all the bars and shops down here that are shut. Let's go and take a look. Got the Rio Park just there, and you've got the Castello. Is that what it's called, Marcus? Castilla. Just there. And then we go down. We're just crossing over the road, going down a little bit more. This place now is open. It took them about 10 years to do this. And on the back still building work going on. Still all blocked off over the path. This has been like it since we started coming to Benidorm. Got Easy Eye there. A lot of their places are just storage points. And we're getting down now. We'll show you some of the empty bars. This is nothing to do with the pandemic or whatever we had. There's just people not being able to make money up here. An Irish bar. Don't know if that's still there. Not seen it open for a while. That's the new sushi bar. Am I right, Marcus?
Yeah. Oh, that's saying Japan. Hi.
There we go. I'll look at that in a minute. There we go. Trying to make go a bit up here. There we go. One on the corner. Not open. Let's just get around the back of the other side of the trees. Y50.
Y55.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 50. Closed. Winnie's Bar closed. Next one, that doesn't look like that's been open for a while. That's with the one next door. I know it's part of the supermarket shop there. Maybe it is. Down the other side, one up in the corner. I did miss the big one up on the corner. These have been closed quite a while. This one up on the corner here.
This would be at the skate rooms.
Yeah, it used to be one of the skate rooms. You know, ideal. If there was a trade here, I'm sure this would make a great bar. I don't know if it's up on this corner or the other one. No. I think it might be on the other corner further down. Yeah, but there's what, 6 bars there. Absolutely nothing being done with them. There's a couple of bars set. I take that's 1 bar there set out. Absolute nobody in there. Beauty salon there. Looks like that's gone. Number Pilot. That doesn't look open. Don't know if they've gone. Charity shop still going. Doing some work in that bar there. Look at these guys. That one looks like it might still be open.
Estate agents.
Yeah. Anything in there, Mark? I can't really
Yeah.
see it with the light. Yeah. Look at all these guys. I take it at one time this used to be a very, very busy street on the Yellow Brick Road here.
One time
Yeah,
it used to be yellow.
derelict. Yeah. Just come back, yellow, Marcus. Looks like I painted over it and the yellow stones underneath. Is anybody in that one on the corner there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's a
Open
Chinese restaurant in there.
Chinese restaurant in the restaurant seen out the bund.
But again, you look over the other side. This used to be a very popular bar. Yeah, it was a pandemic that got this one, I think. I mean, how can this get down to this type of derelict property from a really popular bar? Absolute derelict. Okay, we're going to carry on down. This might be a bit of a long one, guys. Looks like there's a bar still open up there. When you come down on here, we've got the whole shopping centre in there. which is virtually empty. I've never ever seen anybody walking around here. It'd be better if they just turned it into office blocks. I'm sure they could use them as office blocks. It just seems to be this bit down to the main road. There's somebody down there. Have I got that on camera? Yeah, unless you're an online business, I don't think you're going to do much good. There's stuff out, but nobody there. That's why I entitled the video Death Street. Well, I know you see this a lot in the UK, but I mean, what would you be paying for the bar out here now? You'd be paying what, £10 a month or something like that?
Probably, yeah.
Any more you wouldn't be able to do it. Bar after bar. Yeah, just over there you've got rock stars doing a great business. This used to be a bar fairly recently.
Bolton's Bar, something like that.
Borton's Bar.
Bolton's.
Oh, yeah, sorry Mark, because you're right. That's where the times were run out there. Well, yeah, it's eventually all off to keep the homeless out, of course. Did see the homeless have moved into where the birdcage used to be. Managed to get in there. You can see there's a couple of businesses here still operating. Got the front. And King Kebabish over the road there.
Kebabish King.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. A lot of those in Benidorm at the moment. They seem to be taking over everywhere. So guys, sorry about the depressing look, but that's that part of Benidorm, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.